In this video, we will see how to delete a node from the linked list. That is, you will be given a key. For example, here you are given the key as 12. You need to find out the node which has the data 12 and you need to delete that particular node from the linked list. Now, while deleting the node from the linked list, you need to consider two separate cases. First case is when the node is the first node in the linked list and the nodes can be any other nodes in the linked list. So here the key given is 12. So first we need to search through the linked list and see which is that particular node. For that we need to have a pointer temp. So temp should point to the first node. So we assign temp equal to head and temp will point to the first node in the linked list. Now I said there are two cases. One is if the node is the first node in the linked list. So we need to check whether temp.data equal to the key given. So here this is the first node as we have temp.data equal to the key. So in this case, the steps to be followed are, first we need to assign head equal to head not next. So head is pointing to this node and head not next is 2084, that is this node. So now head will point to this particular node. So I repeat, we assign head equal to head not next. Or you can even give temp.next. Since we have the pointer temp, if you take temp.next, that is also pointing to this node. So we assign the address of this node to head. So now you can see head is pointing to this first node. Instead, when we give head equal to head not next, this address will change to 2084. That is the address of this particular node. So now head will be pointing to this particular node. Now we need to delete this link. For that, give temp.next equal to none. So temp.next is this and we give temp.next equal to none. So this will point to null now. So temp.next will be assigned null and this link also will be removed. So now this node is removed from the linked list. Now we will see the other case, that is when the node is not the first node. For example, here I have given key equal to 6. So first thing we need to have a pointer temp. So I assign temp equal to head and temp is pointing to the first node. Now the next step is to check whether the temp.data equal to key. So here temp.data is not the value which we passed. So in this case, we need to traverse through the linked list and see whether the temp.data of each node equal to the key. So we will have a while loop to iterate through the entire linked list and to check whether the data is the value which we have passed. So in case the data is not the value, then the temp will move to the next node. For that we have temp equal to temp.next. In this case, the node is the last node in the linked list. So now you can see when you exit the loop, the temp is pointing to the last node. But here there is a problem. If you want to remove this node, then you have to update the next pointer of this node to null. So we should have a pointer to this node. But here we have the pointer to the node which we want to delete and not to this node. For that, we need to have another pointer previous. In the while loop, you check whether temp.data is not the value which we passed, and if the temp.data is not the value, then you update previous to temp and the temp will point to the next node. That is, initially previous will be none and temp will be pointing to the first node. Now here it will check temp.data equal to 6. So this is false and we get into the loop. Next we update previous equal to temp and temp equal to temp.next. So this is what happens. We updated earlier temp was pointing to this. We updated previous equal to temp. So previous will now point to this node and temp equal to temp.next. So temp will move to this node. Now the loop will again check whether temp.data is the value. It is not the value. So the pointer will again move. Now the previous will point to this and temp will move to this node. It will keep on checking and finally temp has reached this node. Now it will check temp.data equal to 6. So this is true. So it will come out of the loop. Now we have two pointers, previous pointing to this node and temp pointing to the node which we want to delete. Since we have the pointer to this node, now we can update the next pointer and we can remove the link between these two nodes. We have found out the node which we want to remove. Now we will remove this particular node from the linked list. For that, update previous.next equal to temp.next. Previous.next is this and temp.next is this. So we update previous.next equal to temp.next. So null will be updated over here. So we have null here. So now this is not pointing to any node and we remove this particular node from the linked list. Now if I give 2, so first we need to find the node which we want to delete using the temp pointer and using the while loop. So here we found out our node. Now temp is pointing to this node and previous is pointing to the node before the node to be deleted. So we have two pointers now. We will see how this node can be removed from the linked list. So we need to update this pointer first. That is previous.next equal to temp.next. So previous.next is this and temp.next is this. That is the address of this node. So we will update previous.next equal to temp.next. So 4284 will be updated in this next pointer. Now you give previous.next equal to temp.next. This is previous.next and this is temp.next. Temp.next has the address of this node. You need to form a link between these two nodes and remove this link. So if you update this part with the address of this node, then the link between these two nodes will be formed and the link to this node will be removed. So here instead of this we update it with the address of this node which we have in temp.next. Now this link is removed and this link will be formed. Now the next thing is you need to remove this link. For that give temp.next equal to none. So this will remove this link and the next pointer of this node will be updated with null. So we have formed the link between these two nodes and removed this node from the linked list. By this I am concluding this video. Thank you for watching.